Hello everyone. So if you want to hide the geolocation icon in your Android status bar, let's get started. So first of all, open up your Galaxy Store. This won't work if you have not a Samsung, unluckily. Now, let's press apps and let's search for good luck. Sometimes it's pre-installed on the newer Samsung models. However, for the older models, you may need to install it. So let's search for good luck. And let's press install. Let's give it some time to be installed. There it is. Now simply press open. Press agree and continue, and let's start. So here we gotta scroll through the plugins and locate our quick start. That's what we need. Now let's tap on this download icon in order to download it. The installation process has begun, so simply give it some time. Great, installation complete. Now tap on U at the bottom to see your different plugins. If it's not here, don't worry, you can start it from this page as well. Now let's activate it by tapping on the switch near it. After that, tap on visibility of indicator icons, and we gotta turn off our geolocation icon, right? So locate your geolocation. Location icon, turn it off. Basically, you're done. Now let's try open it up at Google Maps. Usually it pulls up when we open them up. No geolocation icon is up. Basically, that's it. I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.